Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how you can download Facebook video. Some guys don't know how to do that. Maybe you need a video for some things. You don't need to screen record. Instead of screen recording it, you just download the video at high quality. So this is how to go about it. Firstly, let's go back to our Facebook. Let me go back to
That is
the video. So if you want to download the video now, all you have to do is click on this share button and copy the link. Once you copy the link, head over to your browser and search this thing. Search this on your browser. Let me go to my browser. This is my browser. Search Facebook video downloader. So there are many websites. Once you search it, you can see many websites you can use. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be going with the first link, which is this. Once you click it, it will load up. Then the link you copied, just paste it here. It's very easy. Paste it and you click on download. So once you click on download, you can see the video now. This is the video. You can see it. Can download it in high quality and normal quality. The purpose of this is that for those that will be screen recording it and maybe they need the video in good and they don't know how to download it, this is how it goes, so that you don't be doing screen record and you'll be seeing all this watermark, and this will preserve seeing watermark in the video. That maybe you want to use it for content and you want to use the video for reposting, you won't see any logo on it, any logo of the person that posted that is what is called a watermark. So once you click on this download, this, so once you click on it, you see it's already downloaded. Done. Let's open our video and see the video. You can see the video now. Once I play it,
this was the moment Davido hand was caught.
That is how we download video on Facebook. You can still use it as, you can still download. If you want to download image on Facebook, if it's image you want to download, copy the link of the image, go to your browser, search for Facebook image downloader, just search like that. You see different websites, click it, copy, paste the link, then click on download, just same as I did now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. See you in my next video. Thanks.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share and subscribe.